Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can achieve this beautiful church flyer very quickly using your Pixellab. So let's get to start. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification button. Let's go. So and Pixellab over here. So the first thing I need to do is to do what? Set my dimension, which is 5 by 6. So come to these three dots, click on it, and then set image size, then change this to 1500 and change this to 1800. So you have 5 by 6. So click OK and you have this. Now take out the text box by clicking on this and then click OK. Now the first thing we need to do is to bring in our background. So click here from gallery and then bring in your background. Alright, so this is our face background. So tick here. Now scale it up till it gets to have this. Now come here and then lock it up. Now go to your plus sign again, bring in another background which we are going to be using to blend on top of the other one. Now make sure you click on the link in the description of this video so that you can get access to the resources that I actually use to design this beautiful church flyer. So click on the second background which we have here. Now tick here, scale it again, and then let it get to full the whole of this your design page. Now after this, go here, click. Now move to where we have opacity. We are going to be reducing the opacity. So click on opacity here, click on it, and then reduce the opacity to something like 50 something. 56 is okay. Now tick. So right now we have our background set. Come here and lock it up. Next we are going to be doing that, we are going to be working on our text. So click on plus sign and then bring in text. Now take this to the middle, come to here, this particular icon. Now click on it, edit. Now we are going to be writing encounter. So alright, so after you have write this, you can click here to give you capital letter. So click OK and then you have this. Now move to where we have font and change the font to impact. So go to font. Impact is the font name, so you can download it from online and install it, or you can search for a good font that is very bold and then use it for the design. So impact is the font that I'm using. So I click OK and I have this. So I can scale it like this, increase it very well, just drop it here. So let's move to size, and then we can increase the size a little bit from and reduce it a little bit, not too big. All right, we have this. So this is good and this is nice. Now next thing we are going to be doing is that tick here. Now move to where we have inner shadow, click on your inner shadow, turn it on, and once you turn it on, what you are going to be doing that you screw up, and once you screw up, increase the blur radius to something like 10. So we have something like 10. That's good. Now shift again and then don't touch this one. Now touch this one, the offset Y. Once you touch it, now you can simply reduce it to something like 9, not too much. All right, this is very good and very beautiful. Now move to color. All right, now we are going to be setting a brown color to it. So how did I set this color? Click on the plus sign over here. Once you click on the plus sign, click on your eyedropper, pick the background which you want to pick the color from. We have this color, so you can make something a little bit bright, and then tick here. That's good. Tick here, and that's good. So we have that particular color. You see, it's adding somewhere here. So tick here, and then we are good to go. All right, now the next thing we are going to be doing is that moving to curve. So move to curve, and then make the curve to be on 10. So this is good and this is actually nice. Tick here, and that is very good. So if you have get to this point, congratulations, we are almost getting to the design. Now we are going to be doing the same thing to the word destiny. So move to where you have copy. Yes, move to here, click on copy. Now you have copied this text, take it here. Now make sure you always lock everything that you're doing so that you not get to shift it or destroy the current position when you are shifting our object. Now this is what we have. Now move to edit. Now edit it and then put destiny. So now here for capital letter, click OK. You have this. Now what you are going to be doing is that you increase the size. So we're going to move to size here, and then increase the size to something like this. Okay, give it a little bit of size and then tick here. That's good. So shift it up a little bit, just place it somewhere there. You can click on your relative position, you can click on this center alignment, make everything be on the center. Don't click on this one is middle, it will take it to the middle. So tick here and then that's good. All right, so the little space that we have here is where we are going to be putting the church logo. So now lock this guy up. We are all good with that. Lock it up. Now click on plus sign. Let's bring in the logo from gallery. Sharply we're going to be done with this church design. It's very, very beautiful. Make sure you do what? Subscribe, and comment on this video. That's the main one. So let's get to bring in the church logo. Right, this is the church logo. We have this. You see, it's kind of colored, but we are going to take out the color. We don't need it. So reduce it, and then just take it and place it somewhere here. Reduce again. Right, just place it there. Not too big and not too small. You get? Right, just place it there. Now move to this middle point, click on it. Now move to where you have color, click on color, turn it on. Now shift up and then find a white color. I don't think that's white. This is white. Yeah, this is white. Tick here and then you are done. Now lock it up. If you are good with that position, lock it up so that you not destroy it. Now the next thing we are going to be doing is that we are going to be bringing some text so that we can write the name of the church as well as Winners Chapel. So you can click on your plus sign, text, shift it somewhere here, go to edit, click on this one. Edit will not be here, but you need to click this one to see edit. Now over here, put Living Faith Church. Yeah, yes, enter key, move to the next one, and then put West Eaton. Yeah. All right, so we have that, and that's good. Capital letter as well. Click here and then we are good. Now move to alignment. Yes, this is alignment. Set it to center alignment first. Tick here and we are done. Now you can use here and reduce it a little bit more. Shift it somewhere here, and then we're going to change the font because the font is not really looking bold. So font, let's find something good. You can use Arial. Anyone want to use, you can use, but I think I can find something like this. I want to use this. Yeah, so I click on it, and then click OK. I have something like this. So I have to make the size very small, something like this, smaller again, and that's good. Just place it somewhere here. All right. Yeah, I think we're going to match that guy together. So that's good. I love that position. Now go to your layer. Now click on this to have this box. Pick the logo, pick the name of the church, click on match, and then click OK. Boom, we'll have just one object. So with this, I can simply align it by coming here and then moving to relative position, set it to center alignment. With that, I have everything well aligned, and that's cool. So tick here, that's good. So the next thing we're going to be doing, I think we can match these two guys together because I love their position. So you can go to layer, click here, pick the encounter, pick the destiny, and then merge it, click OK, and then subscribe. All right, so now come outside here and then shift this guy up. No, don't use your hand to shift it up. You can come to your position, take it up a little bit more, and then tick here. We are good. Now we're going to customize something here because the theme is encounter with destiny. So we're gonna do a little bit of some things. You see it. All right, plus sign, and then from gallery, I'm not too fast. If I'm too fast, I'm gonna go slow. So looking for something, okay, this guy. So this guy is what we are going to be using. So tick here and then reduce the size, and then all right, so just place it somewhere on top of the T. Let it look as if that's the head of the T. So just keep it somewhere here. So can you just touch this a little bit like that so that the head look like is the head. All right, so drop it here, and then you can just rotate it a little bit, let it look as if it's kind of stylish. I love that. All right, so we're gonna maybe do some little thing like make it to because the color is too dim. So let's see what we can do here. Let's touch contrast. Yeah, contrast a little bit, let it just look like it's shining. Brightness, can we reduce that? Yeah, reduce that. And then contrast, just give it a little bit contrast, and boom, that's good. So tick here and then we are good. So you can lock that guy up so that will not destroy it. All right, so plus sign again, we are going to be bringing in text. I want this tutorial to be very sharp. I don't want to waste time because it's a simple design. So take this to the middle of here. All right, so you can easily zoom if you want to, click where I just click and then zoom it here till we have this. So once you finish, click here again, right? So let's work on something here. So move here, edit, and then and then subscribe. All right, so put width. So we just need this, not capital letter. So we have this, just place it here, and then we are going to find a scripted font to use for that guy, because he actually need a scripted font there. I think the color should be yellow. So let's first of all choose the color, and let's scroll and see if we can find a yellow color here, something yellow and bright. So move, I think this yellow, click on that. Oh no, that's added. All right, so tick here, and then subscribe. All right, so click on your font. Let's find a scripted font that we can use for that text. Load fonts. All right, resend, and I can use something like this. I think it's actually scripted, so just find a scripted font. A lot of scripted font that you can use for your design. Just find it, something scripted. We have, so I just want to use this one, so you can see the name. I don't really know how to pronounce it as standard personal use. So anyhow you want to pronounce it, pick a scripted font, click OK, and you have this. So just take it here, reduce the size, and then take it, place it here very well. Yes, so here you can touch the size a little bit. All right, we are getting there. Have this, just place it there, and then subscribe for more videos. All right, so now we are done with zooming, so we can click on the zooming back. Now click on this number to take you back like that. So let's see how it look like. Click again. Yeah, everything is out. So let's see. Oh yes, so we have that encounter width. So that's good. If you have gotten to this position or this stage, congratulations, you are almost making it to finish the design. So I can reduce this and shift it a little bit. Yes, so tick here, and I'm good. So go to your layer, lock that guy up, lock it up so that nothing will destroy it. All right, so now the next thing we're going to be doing is that we're going to add in a particular text here, and then we'll put an end of the month Thanksgiving service, because it's a combined kind of service. So text again, and then take it here, and then subscribe, and then edit, clean it, and then make it capital letter, and then click OK. So take it to the middle, and then we need to change the font, because the font is not, I don't like it. So click on font. Let's use impact, and then let's see how it's going to look like. So impact is going to be better because it's a bold font. So click on impact. Yes, so click OK, and then shift it here, increase it here like this. So move to color, change the color to yellow too. So change it to yellow. All right, yellow. So tick here, reduce the size, take it from the edge, reduce the size, place it somewhere there, and then after you place it there, what we're going to be doing is that you're going to be adding some spacing to it. So move to spacing like 16. All right, we have this. Tick here, shift, increase this part so that the text can all be on one line. You can reduce a little bit again, and then let's move to curve. So curve, let's increase it to like 10, not too much. 10 is okay. So we have this, and I think it's time we work on the size again. So the size is here, increase the size a little bit. Yes, we have something like this. This is perfect. This is actually nice. So go to your position, take it up, and then you have something like that. That is good. So we are almost done. Now go to that guy, lock it up so that nobody's going to destroy it. So click on plus sign. From gallery again, let's bring in the pastor picture. Actually nice. So tick here, take it down here like this. So as you're taking it down, work on the size, reduce it, and just place it somewhere there, increase it a little bit, let it not look as if it's too small. Like this is okay. So it's okay, just place it there. That is very, very nice. Now move to the middle point here, go here to color filters, click on it. Let's sharpen this picture a little bit, touch a little bit of saturation, like this. It can be on 30. The brightness, you can reduce it small, and then the contrast, you can hit the contrast a little bit, just hit it. All right, so make sure you subscribe. If you don't subscribe, don't watch this video. All right, so after then we need to blend the bottom part of this design, but lock it up first so that nothing is going to destroy it. Go to your plus sign, click on draw, move to draw sharply, increase the pen size, increase smoothness, and then increase blur radius. Now once you increase blur radius, tap once on your screen, you have this black spot. Now tick here, we are almost done. This place that every time you are okay, you tick here. All right, so we have this, increase it, put it to the center, go to copy it again, put it to the center, copy it again, that's 3 times. Move to your layer, click on the last one here, this guy that is always here, to have all these boxes. So pick 1, 2, 3. Now click on the middle one here, which is this one you have here, to merge it. All right, click on it. You want to merge? Yeah. Okay, so click OK, and then boom, you have this only one. So you have this one object. You can take it here, increase it like this, take it inside, increase it, take it inside, increase it, bring it down here like this. So this is good, this is nice. Now the color, you screw, move to color, enable it, pick that brown color that you actually picked that time. You can take it up, increase here, and then just place it like this over here. All right, don't let it really cover the pastel, let it really cover. All right, now just place it here. This is nice. All right, tick here, lock that guy up so that nobody's gonna destroy it. You have this, and that's good. Now the next thing we are going to be doing is that let's bring in the name of the pastor and write some things there. So plus sign, text, bring it here, edit, move here, edit, put mini string. So all right, click OK, and then take it here. Now move to your font, stick to one font, 1 or 2 fonts, not any kind of font that you have to be using. So you can use this. So click OK, reduce the size a little bit, place it here, move to style, move to style, click on italic to make it bend to one side, click here, and then move to spacing, touch the spacing a little bit like that. That's good. Now reduce the size again, place it there. Yes, that's good, that's perfect. So if you want to work on the spacing again, you can still increase it better. All right, now move to where you have relative position, tap on this one to make it be in the center. That's good. So you can easily use your position, take it up a little bit. All right, that's good. Now what you're going to be doing is that the next thing you're going to be doing is that click on the plus sign, text again, and then bring it here, come here, edit, let's put the pastor name. Okay, that's good. All right, now back to font, sharply font, and then pick your font. I think pick this one that's bold. We have medium and I'm using bold now. So place it here, reduce the size a little bit, place it there, and then that's good. All right, perfect, that's nice, beautiful. All right, now the next thing we're going to be doing is that we want to do kind of demarcation there. So go to plus sign, shape, reduce it a little bit, take it from here, reduce it like this, reduce it like this. All right, tick here. Now bring it, click on this, bring it here, you can shape it a little bit more. All right, now move to where we have color, enable the color, move to gradient. Now pay attention, I'm going to be doing something here sharply. Click on plus sign so that we can add a gradient. Now pick the first gradient, this one that is here, pick that first one. All right, now on the first one here, click on this, and then take it to yellow. Like take this thing that is here, take it like this, see, take it like this, and then take this second one like this. So this is here, you see where this guy is, and you see where this guy is. So that's it. Now click OK, we have that. Now move to the second one here, click on the same thing, move this one here, move this one here, click OK. Now click on the plus sign so that we can add another point, which is this plus sign, shift it here, plus sign again, shift this one here, click on this one. Now click on the this one again. Now take this one here, we need a white fill, that's okay. Click on this one, you see the one that is highlighted. Now click on your color, this thing, take this one here, and we have this. So this is what we need, and then click OK. click here, tick. So you have this. So just take it and place it somewhere like this. You can reduce the size a little bit, use your position, take it here, right? Tick here, and that's good. Now the next thing we are going to be doing, we are bringing in the location of the church. So plus sign from gallery, click this and then enable this. Now this has a black fill. Let me show you how to remove it. Go to your erase color, turn it on. Now pick this eyedropper that is here. You see this one that is here, click on it. Now move it to the black color which is outside this. Now enable it by clicking on here, not this one that's here. So click on this one first before this one. So I click on the tick mark here, and then you see that's remove the color. So I can move, shifting a little bit of tolerance, and that's good. Reduce it, reduce it very well. Place it like that. Tick here. Now move to your position, and then increase this. Take it down, 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 down to make it move very fast. That's why you increase the movement. All right. So we have this, and that's good. Take it up again. Perfect. Now click on the pastor name, copy it by clicking on here, click on copy. Now just take it and place it here. Let's edit it and write the name, the location of the church. So done. So click OK. Now shift it here, reduce the size a little bit more. Yes, just place it there, and that's perfect. So I think we can click here, merge those two guys together so that we can position them in the center. That's good. Come out, go here, we need to position this. So tick. Now we are almost done with the design, but the next thing we are going to be doing, we are going to be adding the time and the date, which is very, very important. So plus sign, let's bring in the icon. All right, so we have this. Now crop this, that's for the date. Crop this, tick here, you have this. Move to erase color, enable it, and then increase this. All right, now reduce it very small, reduce it very, very small, reduce it again, and then make it to be at this side, and that's good. Take it up, tick here, move to color, add yellow to it, enable it, find a yellow color, add it to it. Yes, so tick here, and you can also copy, place it here, the same place as you can see. Go to your crop, now shift it to this one, tick, you have this. All right, now that's it, the same thing. All right, now click on the pastor name again, go here, copy it, bring it down here, edit it. Let's put the time, so it's gonna be 8. We are almost done. Click OK, and then you have this. Now move to your font, change it to impact, click OK. Now move to your spacing, your line spacing, take it up a little bit, and you have that. Move to alignment, take it to the center alignment, and then move to position, take it up, take it like this. Yes, so you have that, and that's good. All right, so now the next thing we are going to be doing is click on it, copy it, take it to this part where you have the date, drop it here, edit it. Let's just put the date, Sunday. All right, capital letter, and then click OK. You have this. Now there's a problem there, but go to your line spacing, take it a little bit, increase it. You have something like this. So tick here, move to your position, shift a little bit, shift it down, and then you have something like that. So that's cool. So we leave that to that, and then on this to see if it's kind of in the center. I think we have to move this one down a little bit. Yes, and then move this one down too a little bit. So reduce this. All right, tick here. Yeah, we are good to go. Now the next thing we are going to be doing is that we are done with the design, but then if you check, they said an end of the month Thanksgiving service. So we're going to be bringing some things that relate to Thanksgiving sharply, and just add them and blend them, and then we export our design. We are done. So plus sign from gallery. So we are using this trumpet. You see how it look like. So crop it, just crop it like this, crop it here to make it small. Right, tick here. Now you have this, so place it here by the side like this, reduce it, and just place it somewhere here. Now copy it, take it to this side. Now click on the first one first. Let's edit it. Go here and reduce the opacity. Take the opacity a little bit down. Yes, something like that. You can move it on out small. Yes, so you have that. If possible, rotate it small and then just place it there like this. All right, just place it there. Just place it there. That's good. So that's good. Yes, that's really nice. All right, that's good. Now take this one, the second one. Go there and lock. Oh, we haven't locked all these guys. Just lock them so that nothing will destroy it. Lock it. All right, so this one, you can just rotate it, take it down here like this. All right, and then move here, take it backward. Just keep moving it till you get to pass this shading stuff. So you see that. Now move to your opacity again, reduce it a little bit. So you see that. That's really nice. All right, so tick here and then we are almost done. So the last one, make sure you subscribe, share this video to your friends, go to your gallery, click again, and then bring in this trampoline. All right, so shape this by cropping. All right, now tick here, move this one over to this point, reduce it first, move it over to this point, just move it somewhere here like this. All right, yes, so just move it somewhere here like this, and then go to your opacity again, reduce the opacity a little bit. So you have that, and that's cool. So you can shift it out a little bit, and that's good. So we are done with this design. You can see how perfect and how nice this design look like. It's not hard. It's just put your elements and then arrange it till they all blend together, and they all blend together. So this is how I designed this beautiful church flyer for the theme Encounter with Destiny service. So after this, you are gonna do what? Export your design. So export everything and you get to have this. So with this, I think you have learned something how to design, using your Pixellab. Beautiful church design using your Pixellab. So make sure you subscribe, share this video to your friends, and let's finally export the design. So click on the three dots here, go to export image. And once you go to export image, just wait and then save to gallery. Once you save to gallery, everything is safe and everything is what? Done. So move out, yes, and then go to where you have your gallery. Yes, so you see the design which I just exported. This is how it look like. So much beautiful and very beautiful. So if you have a Snapseed, you can actually use your Snapseed to sharpen it a little bit and then make it to pop out very well. So this is my Snapseed. So I go ahead and click on open. I pick the design that I just finished exporting from Pixellab, and then I have this. So I can go to tool, go to detail, increase the detail a little bit to make everything pop out so well. That's the structure. Use the structure and then go to just move up, increase the sharpness like that. Right, tick here and let's go to portrait. So you see portrait here, click on portrait and face spotlight. We're gonna increase face spotlight. Yes, so you see this, increase the face spotlight. Yes, so increase it like this. Now move to eye clarity, increase the eye clarity. Yes, and then this how to sharpen your design and skin smoothness. All right, so you can just leave this here. So with this, everything is good. Now when you're done, click on export, which is here, export, and then save. So with this, your design is looking good. You design it with Pixellab, export it, and come and use Snapseed and sharpen it for it to pop out. So let's go and see the before and the after. So this is the after and this is the before. So you see how it's looking like before, this is how you're looking at after. So with this, the design can be printed and everything look good. So make sure you subscribe. If you like this video, make sure you do what? Subscribe. Share this video to your friends, and then thank you for watching. See you in our next video.